Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. I'm Blake.
And I'm Micah.
This week is the Scholastic Book Fair. This year, the book fair is online. Ask your teacher for one of these flyers to get to the ELA page of the book fair.
We also want to remind everybody to be on time in class. Being on time helps you be engaged in class and not miss important learning.
On Monday and Tuesday, the junior high has an assembly during Pride. Online-only students can join in from home. Ask your Pride teacher for the Zoom info.
This Thursday is a Peak Dress Down Day. Make sure to get your wristband from Peak. They can be purchased on the Peak website.
This Thursday and Friday are parent-teacher conferences. Thursday, they are from 4 to 7 p.m. On Friday, they are from 1:30 to 4 p.m.
Now over to the reporter for Teacher Spotlight.
Hi, I'm Avery, and this is Mrs. Blair. How is your day so far?
It's been good, thank you.
Good. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read, go to Lagoon and ride all the roller coasters, and hang out with my friends.
Fun. Have you always lived in Utah?
Nope, I was born in Kansas City, Missouri, and only recently moved to Utah a few years ago.
Cool. What is your worst fear?
Spiders and clowns, which are not the best in the spooky season.
Thanks, Mrs. Blair, for your time. Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks, guys.
Now over to the Sports Center.
Welcome to the Sports Center. I'm Ruby.
And I'm Boston.
Boys soccer has 3 games this week. On Monday, they are at home versus Hawthorne. On Wednesday, they are away at North Star. And on Thursday, they are at home versus Lincoln.
Cross country has their state championship race this Thursday. Good luck.
Boys basketball has tryouts on Monday and Wednesday, after school in the gym.
Now for some highlights from the last few weeks.
Boys soccer has been dominating on the field this season. They have won every game 10-0 so far. They are top-ranked team in the region. Good work, boys.
Cross country has had some ups and downs this season, but they have been finishing first and second at nearly every race. Congratulations, Sarah Fair, for taking the first at North Star. Good luck at state, everyone.
Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks, guys.
Now a message from Smack.
In a few weeks, Smack will be opening a Phoenix on Fire store where junior high students can spend their Phoenix on Fire cards on these and more fabulous prizes. It will be located in the concession stand in the gym on special occasions, so make sure you're ready. Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks, Smack.
That's all the announcements. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Just hang tight. Take one.
Okay, I'm going to say go sit back down at your seats because you sitting over here watching me is making me nervous. So disperse.
Can you read this?